afternoon, gentle friends. Welcome back to another day, and in this case, another salad. So today I'm going to do an Asian chicken mandarin salad. The recipe that I'm basing this off of is in the description box and on the blog, and I'm just doing a few little changes to it. This starts with cabbage as a base, so I have some purple cabbage, and in my case, I have a Savoy. Now, the recipe calls for Napa. You could use green. You could just use the purple, but I have some Savoy, so I'm going to use that. Then I have carrots and green onion. Mukamame is just edamame that's been pre-shelled. So I have that. And then today I'm going to do cooking for Sandy, and I am taking her one of these as well, but in her case, she can't eat the almonds, so I just have 10 almonds aside for me. Then the mandarins that I had left over, and this is some of the chicken breast that I ground here at home, so I am going to use that. And then for the recipe was saying, you could use like the little chow mein noodles or wonton strips or something like that. I picked up some chow mein noodles. And the dressing, the sesame vinaigrette dressing that's on there, is very similar ingredient and flavor profile wise to the Ken's Asian sesame with ginger and soy that I already have. So I'm going to use that with some lemon juice. For my portion, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the dressing and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The only thing I need to do with this, besides prepping the veggies, is to just cook the chicken, and then we are all done. Okay, so I'm going to take Sandy her part of the salad. So this doesn't have the almonds in there. And I've put the crispy noodles in a separate bag, and I'm going to take her a little container of the dressing so she can put it together when she's ready instead of it getting soggy. Then for her dinner, I gave her a couple of options, and she said she wanted butter chicken. Now, we've worked out that she actually likes a quite straightforward one, so I use a canned chicken breast. And this is a new sauce. This I picked up from Aldi's. Well, I haven't tried it yet. I have some on the stove that's sort of heating up, and I've mixed that with some half and half. We'll see what she thinks about that particular one. Normally I use a paste, and then we add either coconut milk or half and half or heavy cream or something like that to it. But Aldi had that one, and I thought I would double check. And then this is my version of the salad. So I have carrots, edamame, part of the chicken, mandarins, almonds, the green onion, and the cabbage mix. The cabbage mix is all under there as well. And then when I'm ready to do that, I have the chow mein noodles to put on there and the dressing that I'm going to make up for me, but I'm going to take Sandy her meal down first. Hey guys, so a little bit of a change of plan. I went to Sandy's, and she really enjoyed that butter chicken. She actually ate 1 whole container, which I cooked some rice. I forgot to show you, but I cooked her some rice to go on the bottom. And so she had the rice and the butter chicken. And I made 2 containers so that she could have one later in the week if she wanted them. And I wasn't sure if she was going to like the sauce, but she did. She said it was good. So that wasn't good. So she had that, and then she has, sorry, having trouble with my breathing. She has 1 serving of that left, and then the salad that I took her. So while I was with her, I found out that I'm getting like a second smaller fridge, like you keep in your garage or your basement as like a backup fridge, because my fridge, my gorgeous big fridge, needs to be repaired, and they can't come for like 3 weeks. and I had just done that big Aldi top up, and so it's getting warmer and warmer, and I decided that if I didn't do something, basically everything I have was going to spoil by the time they get here. So I was looking for another fridge, sorry. And while I was with her, I got a message that, yes, we have sorted one. I've got the delivery sorted. It's coming tomorrow. So I needed to go into town to get some cash to pay them tomorrow. And while I was in town, I got an email from Taco Bell to say, hey, we're doing this Mexican pizza. It's coming back and you can get it today if you want to. And I was like, oh, I haven't had a MEXI pizza in a long time. So I decided that since I hadn't eaten yet, I was going to go to Taco Bell for dinner, which I did. And so I came home and my beautiful salad is still a beautiful salad, but I'm not going to eat that today. So I'm just going to put that in the fridge. I'm going to have that for lunch tomorrow. And I'm under on calories, but I just ate before I came home. I'm not going to eat again tonight. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that yes, she did like the butter chicken, and I will throw a picture of what I had at Taco Bell up, and then that is me for the night. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.